I'm absolutely going to help you with this, but if you could just give me a second. Thank you, Sammy Spartan. Good evening, parents, and welcome to the 2019-2020 school year open house. I'm so excited for you to join me this evening. My name is Dana Vignali, and I'm the upper school director here at Miami Country Day. Proudly, I'm also celebrating my 20th year in education, and I can't think of a better place to celebrate a milestone, especially since I get to share this special year, bringing my daughter here as one of the newest Spartans in the first grade. The One School Leadership Committee chose relationships as the 2019-2020 school year theme, which perfectly aligns with what is necessary in great schools. Positive relationships with families, with our community, amongst faculty, and most importantly, with our students. I feel the best place to begin is with a focus on how we can collectively work towards creating a culture of meaningful relationships, high expectations, deep engagement, and professional growth. One of the most important initiatives I'd like to share with you this evening is the redesign of the advisory program. The goals of the advisory program are to ensure that every student has at least one adult who sees the whole picture, and that every child has at least one advocate in the school. We also have a goal to help students adjust to succeed in school in a proactive and organized way. Our third goal is to build community amongst students, promoting a positive peer culture and encouraging a sense of belonging and respect. Our final goal is to provide guidance with a variety of issues such as making academic progress, utilizing school resources, and time management. Each morning, students will meet with their advisors for about 8 minutes. These are small groups of 8 to 10 students, where they'll start out their mornings with meaningful conversation. Every Wednesday, out of an 80-minute block, students will spend time in assembly or advisory activities where they focus on 4 elements that are important to a student's well-being. Their social emotional learning, diversity, equity, and inclusion, academic guidance, and community building. I encourage you to build a meaningful relationship with your child's advisor. They will be their advisor for their tenure here. Miami Country Day School is an incredible learning institution and an extraordinary place that it is because the combination of the exceptional faculty, phenomenal students, and supportive family. I am thrilled and humbled to be leading the upper school, and I look forward to making this a positive and inspiring year for Miami Country Day community.
Who's there, Tammy? How are you? Come in. Nice to see you. Have a seat. What brings you around? Oh, you want to know what I do? All right. Well, I've been here for 17 years now. I'm the upper school dean of students. My name is Jose Oronoz. And basically what I do is I try to provide a safe environment for the student body. When I'm talking about safety, I mean being both physically and emotionally safe. I try to be the biggest advocate for our students. I'm here to see them succeed, and everything from safety all the way to taking care of all the students, that's what I do. So, peace.
Hi, I'm Marnie Allen, Director of College Counseling at Miami Country Day School. I've been at the school for 38 years, so clearly I love this school and the school community, and especially students like Sammy, who's so full of spirit. I love working with kids just like him. Our office is comprised of 4 counselors, Ms. Sardina, Mr. Pineda, Mr. Spatic, and myself. We begin in 9th grade, and we work with 9th and 10th graders in large and small groups, and then we work with juniors and seniors more individually, intensely with them and their families. And since Sammy is a senior, we're going to be seeing a lot of each other this year because Sammy is actually going through the college application process. Because we'd like to devote our time first semester of each year to our seniors like Sammy. We want your children to have a great year, and especially our seniors like Sammy. We're wishing them all the best.
So Sammy, I assure you that senioritis is not a diagnosis, and you're going to be okay. We're going to get through this together. Senior year is tough, but you're going to make it.
Hi, my name is Kelly Pierce, and I'm the upper school guidance counselor and the coordinator of the guidance department.
I've been at this school going on 8 years, and it's my role to really help support the social emotional well-being of all students, support faculty, and also support the families in this journey through high school. Everything that the students tell me is confidential unless they tell me they're going to harm themselves, harm someone else, or they themselves are being harmed. So it's really a great opportunity for students to come express what they're feeling, get some help and support through difficult times, and stress is a part of our everyday life now, so we really have to just be in this together as a team supporting one another.
Oh, hi there! I'm Jill Robert, and I'm the Assistant Director of the Upper School. I've been at Miami Country Day School for 11 years as a teacher, department chair, and now in administration. At Miami Country Day School, I wear many hats. One of the hats I wear is a parent. I'm a parent of a 9th grader and a 6th grader. So I'm in touch with the educational journey of your child as they move between divisions and as they progress along their journey through our school. Another hat I wear is helping out students with scheduling and registration. If your child's interested in pursuing a new opportunity at school or has questions about their schedule as they move into the fall, second semester, or the spring when planning for next year, please reach out. Another hat I wear is academic advising. Should your child be encountering some bumps along their journey, please reach out so I can pull together a support team and find out the best way to support them along their journey. Yet another hat I wear is ensuring good communication between students, faculty members, administration, and home. You are our best ally when it comes to working with our students, and we want to support your child all along their way. Therefore, please reach out if you have any questions. If I can't answer them myself, I'll be glad to point you in the direction of someone who can. And lastly, one of my favorite hats is celebrating students. We have incredible students at Miami Country Day School, and I always look for ways to find out the wonderful things that they're doing and to celebrate them and all of their wonderful things. So thank you so much for joining us tonight for Open House, and I look forward to meeting each and every one of you if I haven't already.
Have a wonderful evening.